Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Crafts and Beyond with MPL. It's me, MPL, and we are on a train ride, auto train Amtrak, and we're going to Florida, and we're gonna see our grandmother. So, we have MCL over here. Don't push the button. Why? So there's MCL. Say hi. She's looking in the mirror. The mirror is on our door. And you may have heard her saying, I'm going to push the button. So I'm going to push the button. Is this button right here. It says push to call. It's our special waiter, kind of. And like, they're also in the bathroom. So like, if you run out of toilet paper, you push it. You're like, we're out of toilet paper. You'll go out of the bathroom, wait for him to get there, and then he'll, put in a new thing of toilet paper. And it's the same like if you want food or anything. And so our mom is in the bathroom. We also have Aunt Heather. And so MCL is working on a kindergarten workbook.
Because I'm going to kindergarten.
Yeah, and then I have my workbooks. I just made this dream scratch art. It says dream like a unicorn, like an astronaut, like an artist, like a ... like you. So this is it. And we have more scratch arts. And we have like Uno, other games in there like crafts. So that's pretty much our room. We have bunk beds up there for sleeping. And there's my bag. And it even says MPL, but the L is in the middle because it's my last name. And yeah, so I'm going to show you around outside a little bit. So I have to get my mask and my shoes.
Can I come?
Sure.
Can you find my light mask? Oh, here.
So we're going to get our shoes on.
Don't go yet.
And our masks. So let's put it on. And I'll show you around outside.
Wait, don't go yet.
Gotta wait for her.
Boy,
So that sounds like our mom coming out of the bathroom. But put your mask on. There's us. Hi, camera. Okay, come on. Going up.
It's a little bumpy.
So there's other rooms.
It's a little bumpy because we're on the train. And it's moving. So,
Maddie, let's just guys stay here till Mom comes out.
So it's kind of just like up there's the cafe and food, and then
we don't know.
Julia, pick up the IC. Julia, can you pick up the IC, please?
there's a shower and a bathroom. I don't know what that was, so we're gonna stay in here. See you later. We're back. We're on the dinner. We're at dinner, and my sister's eating salad for the first time, so check it out.
We got one piece.
Good?
Very good.
You like it? Good. So, I ordered chicken tenders, and he ordered mac and cheese, and for dessert, we're both gonna have Jello. So, yeah, we'll see you when our food gets here. Bye. Hi guys, we're in Florida. We're off the train, and we're at my grandma's house in the pool. Hi. There's MCL, and yeah, we're gonna have my birthday party and our granny's birthday party tonight. But yeah, that's our trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't done already. Peace out.